Hey everyone, my name is Perry and my channel is about me as an electrical engineer breaking down science and technology concepts in popular movies, TV shows, and anime. At the time of this recording, I have 5,007 subscribers. I upload once a week every Saturday, and I have been monetized on this channel for the past 3 months. I've been doing YouTube for 3 years now, but I've really gained most of my subscribers and views in the past 1 year, and that's because I finally found my unique style in the videos that I want to create the most content about, and the ones that I can do the best of. These specific markers about how often you're uploading and how long the videos are and your CPM, your number of subscribers, your number of views, and like the type of videos you make, these all play a factor into how much revenue you can bring in from YouTube. In the past 3 months of me being monetized on YouTube, I've earned just over $500. In the first month, I earned $23.50. The second month was $71.26. The past month I earned $437.75, which is where the bulk of the revenue has come from. After getting monetized, my first day ever on YouTube, I made 19 cents, and that was the coolest and most refreshing 19 cents I have ever made in my entire life. I've never felt more rich, and I've never had the ability to buy nothing but felt so happy about it. Like, when those 19 cents hit my AdSense page, I was like, alright, where the Lambo at? Like, we made it! Most of my revenue has come from the Dr. Stone video series, with the highest earning video being episode 15, which brought in a revenue of $153.34. The CPM rate for this video is $3.56, and the estimated monetized playbacks are 68,700. The video itself has a lot more views than that, but I don't actually earn revenue from all of those views. I only earn them from a fraction of it, and I'm not quite sure why that is. Like, I don't know if that has anything to do with like ad block or something. Like, I'm not too focused on why I didn't earn the money from the other like people that I should have or shouldn't have. I'm more concerned about how I can generate more revenue and create like better content videos from people who are contributing to the channel. In another Dr. Stone video from episode 12, my revenue was $16.70, but my CPM rate was $3.54, which is very, very similar to the first one, even though the overall views for both videos is vastly different. In another video with a Big Bang Theory, the CPM is $4.42, which is the highest we've seen so far, and the revenue is only $1.42. And part of the reason for that is the video itself is under 10 minutes, and if your video is under 10 minutes, then you can't place multiple ads in the middle of it, so that's why it'll earn less revenue. I'm very new to this whole like YouTube game in general, but there's certain bits of information that I am receiving and I'm still trying to analyze and like figure out what to do with it. And for example, like here's one of them. With this video, I noticed that it didn't actually make any sort of revenue until between 34 and 40 days, until after it was already on the channel, and then that's when it really just started like ramping up. Whereas this one, within the first couple days of it being released, it actually had a huge jump, but now after 20 days, it pretty much plateaued. So I don't know why certain videos do that and others don't. Like, I made both videos in the same format, in the same way, and I don't know if it was the content because it's the same TV show that I'm reacting to. When I'm making my YouTube videos, I'm not trying to think, like, how do I catch the YouTube algorithm, or how do I make a video go viral? For me, it's more of how do I make the best video I can in the time that I have, so that when my viewers are watching it, they're not bored at any given time. Like, I'm very, very picky about how much I release for each video, and I want to make it like as exciting for the fans as I possibly can. There are people out there who are trying to like, you know, like catch the algorithm and like just get their video like viral, and I don't know how they're doing it or if they even know themselves how to do it, but I've had 2 videos on my channel go viral. The first one was the very first Engineer Reacts video that I've ever done. When that video went viral, I didn't have a lot of other videos on the channel that were engineering and tech related. So for that reason, I didn't see an explosion of subscribers or a very large uptick in revenue, because at that time I wasn't even monetized. But when the second video went viral, which is the Dr. Stone episode 15, there was a lot more videos for people to binge on, and they were related to the video that went viral. So what I've noticed is if you want like your YouTube channel to grow exponentially, then you have to like create enough content for other people who are new to the channel to binge on it. Because if you only have like 1 or 2 videos, there's not enough for like a new subscriber to actually like look at you and think, okay, is this person actually like worth investing my time into? You get paid on YouTube based on your number of views, not your number of subscribers. But the more subscribers you have, that means more repeat viewership. So if you haven't already, go ahead and click the subscribe button on this channel and welcome to the Gold Life. I don't have any sponsorship or branding deals yet, but I also believe you need 5,000 subs to even qualify for that sort of thing, and now that I've finally reached that requirement, I'm gonna continue to apply for those. For your YouTube channel to be monetized, you need 1,000 subscribers and at least 4,000 hours of watch time. You need both of those together, not one or the other. Once you reach those requirements and then you make an AdSense page, which is very, very easy, YouTube will automatically consider you for monetization. And this process is a wild card. It says on the YouTube website that it should take no more than 30 days. For me, it took 4 months to get approved for monetization after I had the 1,000 subs and 4,000 hours of watch time, but for some people it just took them 30 days. For other people it took them 6 months. I'm not quite sure like how YouTube, I don't know if it's like a first come first serve basis or if it's like channel based, I really don't know, but remember, it's much more important in my opinion to focus on your content, how to make that better, rather than focus on like how to make the most money. Because if that's really what you care about, I don't think you're gonna be much success on YouTube. It's a lot more of like, can you provide the best content to other people, because that's how you're gonna attract the most viewership to your channel. That's where I am at 5,000 subs, and if you guys have any questions, put them in the comments. I'll get to them as soon as I can, and I'll make another one of these videos like when I hit another big milestone, like 10,000 or something like that, after I get some like sponsorship or branding or I don't know, like whatever like big YouTubers do, something fancy like that, so that I can tell you guys like how to get those deals and what those look like and who to talk to. But as of right now, what I can tell you is all about like my AdSense and how I've been doing and how you guys have helped me so much grow into the channel that we have today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Stay fresh and stay golden.